Alright, hello there guys, hope you're doing well. Now I'm at work, Friday, feels nice that it's Friday, but I'm gonna work Sunday as well. Now we're driving into the city actually. I thought I'd record this. First I thought I should not record this, but then I thought I should record this because now it's bright out, so later on it's gonna be dark, but I'm gonna record then as well, so I'm gonna make 2 videos today I think. Like variation. I like to sometimes drive in the city, sometimes drive with trailer as well. Reversing with trailer is pretty fun. It's pretty challenging, fun. So you see, this is the Scania p420 here again, but this is not the same as I drove earlier. This one got a clutch down here, so I only use it to get going and when I'm stopping, otherwise it shifts automatically. And I can also, of course, shift with the lever here. And as you can see, the instruments are old. So this is maybe a 2005 year model or something like that. It's gone 730,000 kilometers. So it's gone pretty much. Now this is crazy amount of traffic. Man, why are they going so slow in this lane? Usually it's that lane which is slow. Well, soon guys, it's gonna be released up here. It's gonna be released right there, and then we're gonna drive on the bridge into the city. Then we're gonna take a right over there to go around and end up in there, and then I'm gonna deliver there, and then I'm gonna go to Odenplan, which is way more north in the city, so I'm gonna record that as well. So there it's gonna come another video with just like city driving. This is a 21 pallet truck, so it's very long because it also has a bed here, so it's very long. If you drive this with trailer, the trailer is pretty small actually, because it needs to be within 24 meters. So it's gonna be a little bit hard in the city. You gotta be aware of the overhang sweeping out, and the height of the truck is actually, I don't know, there we go, 4 meters. 4 to 4.1. This truck. If you didn't know, in Sweden we have 4.5 meter high trucks. Those are really tall. I drove one yesterday. I did a video on that. Here we go, Stockholm City up ahead. Driving besides Globe here and Tele2 Arena. Now finally we can drive. We're free. How nice. I really want to overtake this guy. I'm tired of him. But it seems I have no car behind me, so I can just keep this lane. And now we're supposed to take off here. Oh shit. We're supposed to take off here, huh? Right, that's different. I'm not used to driving this way. And 3.6. Oh crap, that's not for me, right? It's 3.6 there, it says. Can it really be that way still? Man, this was a long time ago I drove this way. There's that Thai boat. Oh, look at those penthouses or rooftops. That looks so nice. Chilling up there. Alright, here we're gonna take a right and then we'll be at our destination, kind of. Just go around the buildings. Oh, can't forget the clutch. That's so dangerous with these trucks. If you forget to push the clutch, you push the brakes, you know, and the truck will want to jump forwards. So if you're standing too close to a car, if like me I was getting pretty close, and if I were to forgot the clutch there, then it would jump forward like this, you know. It would have just jumped forward. Even if I push the brake harder, it jumps forward because it's such a strong engine. So you have to push the brakes really hard for the engine to stall. So these trucks are pretty dangerous with the clutch. Like, they're automatic and then all of a sudden you have a clutch, you know. Luckily they have a really strong front bumper, so if you go too close to a wall, there's usually no danger or damage. Should be maybe lighter on the gas here in the city, scaring people and whatnot. Just roaring the engine like that, you know, it's not good. Right, now I shouldn't block up the intersection here though, so I'm gonna wait here, or actually I can move forwards now. Okay, you can drive now. Stop, guys. It's red anyways, man. See, that was like really close. Like, drove against yellow. You should not do that, you guys. Don't do that. Don't take me as a good example. The reason I was blinking my head or high beam was to tell him to go more forwards, you know, so people would stop for him, because they have red anyways, they gotta stop anyways. Here's Coop. Expensive store, a little bit more expensive, but they have good quality stuff. So here we are, Willishemma, where I'm gonna deliver. It looks like there's a bunch of cars there. Well, what the hell? I hope they are not in the way. Nah, it looks clean, I guess. Yeah. Alright. Oh, they changed the door. Interesting. Whoops. I was on the curb. I didn't think I was on the curb. I thought I was licking the curb. Alright, I gotta be able to open up the door, so I'm just gonna stop like this now, and then I'm gonna open up the doors and stuff, lower it down a bit so it takes less time, you know, to go up and down with the elevator. So usually when I unload like this by the curb, I usually lower down the truck